Welcome to the long-awaited Pink House Tour video.
Bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suit, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get redder than a navy.
So if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rika. I am a pink lover. I love all things pink. Pink, 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 pink. So be sure to subscribe. Be sure to follow me on my channel. I post vlogs of my life, my pink life. So be sure to subscribe. And if you're watching right now, go ahead and hit the like button and leave me a comment. Comment what your favorite color is so I know that you are an active viewer. Let me know in the comments if you're a pink lover, purple, blue, whatever it is. And let's get this video started. First, we are going to start with the kitchen. Everything in my kitchen cabinets are pink, you guys. Everything is literally pink. Even the soap that I use is pink. My sponge is pink. My utensils is pink. Everything is literally pink. A majority of these items I've gotten from places like Amazon. I've gotten them from TikTok. I've gotten them from Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, but everything is pink. For my cabinets, everything inside is pink, you guys. Everything is literally pink. Everything is pink. Everything is pink. Everything is pink. These light fixtures, I did get them from Home Depot, I believe. That's where I got them from. I have these in my other house as well. And I think I got those from Wayfair, but they have the same exact ones. Wait, or I think I got them on Amazon. Yeah, I don't remember, but I know they sell them on Amazon. I know they also sell them at Home Depot, and I just love them because it makes the kitchen look way better. And then these are some more items. I love my little home sign. I love this little turn thing because it keeps my salt and pepper shaker, my candle, my air freshener, my toothpicks, and it's just so cute. It's just so cutesy. My bar stools, these are from Wayfair, all pink bar stools, cause duh. I have this little area over here. I got this storage thing from TikTok, and you guys can follow my TikTok. I will have it linked in the description box. My TikTok and Instagram is the same username. All of my stuff that I've gotten from TikTok, this is one of them you can find on there. This bin, my friend actually got it for me for my birthday, and I still have some of the items that she got me in here, like this pink bowl set. She got me this, and then this I got from Amazon, and I just basically have, these are items that I put in my purse. So like I have wipes in here. I got 2 sets of wipes because I use these wipes. I got these wipes from TikTok. These I got from Costco, but I just have like my fan, my keys, gum, sunscreen, light, tripod, like just things that go in my purse. Depending on which purse I'm wearing, I could just grab them and put them in my purse, and I just find that easier for me. This I got from, I believe, TJ Maxx or Ross, and then I got this from TJ Maxx or Ross, and then the actual plants I got from Amazon, and then the mirror as well is from one of those stores too. Just realized I forgot to even tell you guys about the bows. The bows I got from TikTok also. These are also on my showcase on TikTok. So just check my Amazon storefront, my TikTok showcase. You will find all of these items. Majority of my items are like though not available because I've been collecting pink stuff for almost 10 years now. So some stuff I have are no longer available, but a majority of the stuff are. Next, we're gonna get into my laundry room. I got this pink laundry rug, pink laundry sign. I need to get me some more scent beads, some more pods, and then I do usually keep like my extra towels here. And then this is, y'all, I'm a pink lover that I only use pink cleaning products. If it's not pink, what are we saying? My air fresheners, my pink cleaning products, my floor cleaner, all of that. Even my cleaning items need to be pink as well. I have 2 pink ladders, pink vacuums. I'm probably gonna get rid of one of these because I just got the newer one. Pink mop bucket. Everything literally has to be pink. As far as my actual living room area, I have this pink storage chest. This storage chest is like my everything chest. Like I put random stuff in there. I have like 5 throws in this chest. I have stuff that I've bought that I haven't had a chance to go through, books that I need to read in here. I just have a bunch of stuff in here, and I love that I can close it, and you know, the house still looks together, but it's not together. My couch is from Wayfair. Coffee table is from Wayfair. The other items are most likely from the other stores that I have mentioned. Y'all already know. And I just love it, y'all. This chair was actually my dream couch. I love this pink couch. My other couch that was pink I got from Wayfair as well. You guys probably will see it in my older videos. But I just love this one. You can also turn it into a bed. You can move the coffee table out, put this piece there, and you have a long bed, okay? You got you a long old bed. I love my little thing here for my photo album. I actually have not printed out pictures in a long time, you guys, because I do have a photo album and I do print my pictures. I probably haven't printed out pictures since February, but I will get to it because I have a ton of pictures, and by the time I print all my pictures I need to print, this thing is gonna be all the way down here. But it does hold a lot of pictures. I love my pink fur mirror, y'all. I take a lot of pictures in this mirror, okay? It is so cute. Now this is my guest bathroom. My guest bathroom and my guest bedroom are Hello Kitty theme. And I got a majority of these items probably from Temu. All pink, 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 and Hello Kitty. And I love this bin because I just have a bunch of stuff in there. Like when I do my skincare in this bathroom. What are these? The disposable toothbrushes, shower caps, wipes, all of that, all up in here. I just love it, you guys. It's so cute. This is my Hello Kitty guest bedroom, okay? Hello Kitty rug. I got this hamper there. I have this pink couch. I have these pillows because I have another guest room on my first floor. I have to go like set it up because my family is coming soon. So I have to get everything together. But this is one of my guest bedrooms. Pink bed, pink pillows, trash can, dresser. I actually have my clothes in this dresser because being a content creator, I have so many clothes. Like I get so many free clothes that I have so many clothes. So I actually have my clothes stuffed in this dresser. And these are the items I have up here. These are the extra towels because my friend is coming to visit, so I kind of have everything set up for her. So she has her towels, she has her house slippers, she has body wash, and then I'm probably gonna add a few more items that she may need. So we are in my beauty room right now, you guys. My beauty room is not cleaned, okay? But I am gonna show you guys my pink closet. It's kind of looking a mess, but this is my pink closet. I have a whole bunch of pink stuff here. I did take the doors down from this closet as well, just so I could like see everything, and I like getting ready in front of here. I also have this thing for my shoes. Yeah, my beauty room is a mess, okay? I will probably do an updated beauty room soon because I am in the process of trying to get more stuff for this room, so that way it can look how I envision it, you know, in my head. Now we are in my pink bedroom. I am just obsessed with my pink bedroom. I got my pink bed. I have a spot for my robes, pink hamper. I put these polka dots on the wall, and I just think it just has it's like a cute accent wall. Dresser, jewelry organizer, my hair station. I got all my hair products in here. For my bathroom is pink, of course. Pink toilet seat, pink pictures, pink, 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 pink. Pink is life, pink is life, pink is life, okay? Pink towel, pink shower cap, pink bowls, pink, 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 everything pinka. Pretty much sums up my mini pink house tour video. Let me guys know in the comments what your favorite color is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the content, you guys, because I have a bunch of pink stuff that are behind me. Oh, I probably should show you guys some new pink additions that I got because I got so many pink things. I have birthday gifts that I still got to unbox. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you're following. Comment on this video to help with the engagement. And I will see you guys on the next video. Follow socials. Everything will be linked in the description box. Bye.